Hello chaps and welcome to these 59 seconds will teach you how to wash your car like a pro with zero experience. So Haris, what you will need a source of water, either connected to a pressure washer or just a hose, 3 bucket. Wash mitts, I use 2 mitts for upper portion of car, 2 mitts for lower portion of car and 2 for wheels. Microfiber cloths, a drying towel, detailing brushes, wheel cleaner, snow foam or dirt remover, car shampoo, glass cleaner, interior detailer, exterior detailer, tie shine,